Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to make a one-time booking link in Funneltopia. It's under calendars, and then you go to calendar settings. Oh, yeah, you can go to settings, click calendars, or you can go to calendars, calendar settings. Both of those are the same thing. And then you already need to have like a ready calendar, right? So whichever one it is, let's go click on here on the three dots. Let's click on share. And then up here, you have the option one-time link. So essentially you send this link to someone. And as it says here at the bottom, as soon as someone books a call, this link becomes like a dead link, right? So you only want one person to book it. You don't want it to go around to other people, whatever. You have a busy schedule. So this is good for that purpose. Just that one person, this private link, right? You don't post it anywhere publicly. And yeah, over here you have the option to generate a new link as well, just in case. But yeah, pretty simple, but keep in mind you need to have a calendar beforehand. So, if you've gotten to this point, you probably have a calendar already. So yeah, that's the short version. And if you have any questions, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Also, we have a VIP. It's not here on this account, but for our VIP clients, there's a VIP call booking option as well, in case you have more than one or two clients, not clients, questions, and you're a VIP client, obviously, then you can get on a call with us. But if you don't have any questions, you don't need a call, you don't need chat support, nothing. If you're all good, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.